Alright guys, so I might have got a little jump start on things, but let me show you what I found and why I'm running to the nearest West Marine. Now I'm going to do my best to show you here. Now see how you have a nice smooth surface? This is where the carburetor mounted. See all these nice smooth edges until you get to right about here. See that, folks? Basically what that is the gasket isn't fully seated against the base, and you got a nice little vacuum leak.
Now, don't ask me why the audio is just so terrible that I'm ending up going to explain it here. So what that does is when you have a vacuum leak on that side, it's not pulling enough fuel down through those venturis. It can cause for sluggish performance, especially if you go all the way to wide open throttle. It can cause it to be sluggy. So I've got a whole new gasket. If you were live earlier, you would have seen me putting the carburetor back together. So hopefully we'll have it up and running by tomorrow.